Canceling Xfinity Wi-Fi in 2025 involves a few key steps. First, initiate the cancellation through the Xfinity app or website, or by calling 1-800-XFINITY. Next, confirm your plan details, especially if you have a contract. Most residential plans are month-to-month after the introductory period, but business accounts may differ. Understand potential early termination fees, ETFs, which can be up to $10 per month remaining on a contract, though waivers are possible for military, low-income, or relocation cases. Make sure to understand prorated billing and how final bills are calculated. The cancellation process has become more digital, but verification calls might still be needed for complex cases. This streamlined approach reflects industry trends toward self-service amid high customer churn rates, as high as 20 to 25%. Returning your Xfinity modem and router is crucial to avoid monthly rental fees of $10–15, potentially costing you up to $300. Disconnect the equipment, package it securely, and use the prepaid return shipping label available on the Xfinity website or app. Drop it off at a UPS store and keep proof of return to avoid erroneous charges. You'll receive a final bill, typically within 48 hours, which will be prorated for the days you used the service. Be sure to review the bill for any outstanding balances or ETFs. If you own the modem, uncommon, you can keep it, but must remove any Xfinity software. Monitor the final bill for accuracy and dispute any incorrect charges promptly. This is critical as of 2025 due to ongoing issues with bill accuracy and a class action lawsuit requiring refunds for erroneous fees.